a program on FM Gold, and till 12 noon the program is Talk Time. Pretty soon we'll be joined by our guest talker, and before he comes on, here comes a song.
एक दिल के टुकड़े हजार हुए, एक दिल के टुकड़े हजार हुए। कोई यहाँ गिरा, कोई वहाँ गिरा, कोई यहाँ गिरा, कोई वहाँ गिरा। बहते हुए आंसू रुक न सके, बहते हुए आंसू रुक न सके। कोई यहाँ गिरा, कोई वहाँ गिरा, कोई यहाँ गिरा, कोई वहाँ गिरा। जीवन के सफर में हम जिनको समझे थे हमारे
एक दिल के टुकड़े हजार हुए. And as that song plays, I'm joined on the phone line with our guest talker for this morning, Dr. Anirudh Chandorkar, adult interventional heart specialist from Pune. Good morning, doctor.
Good morning to you, Kiranji, and good morning to all our audience.
So I think the listeners must have understood by the opening lines, Ek Dil Ke Tukde Hazar Hue, that you shall be showcasing the music of Husnlal Bhagat this morning. Am I right?
Right. Yes, absolutely.
Would you like to say something about this song?
Yes. Husnlal Bhagat takes us back some 3/4 of a century, and I must thank you for bringing this pair up. The two brothers actually came on as a team in 1944 with a Prabhas film production. The older brother, Bhagat Ram, had actually done a few movies on his own. Their older cousin, Pandit Amarnath, was responsible for both their training, and Husnlal was trained as a classical musician and even would give individual vocal performances. When they formed a team, it was unusual that the younger brother's name was taken the first in the team name. They have worked throughout their lives with multiple singers, including Manik Verma, Zorabai Ambadewali, Amir Bhai Karnataki, Noor Jahan, before settling on their constant team members, Suraiya, Rafi Saab, and Lata Dili. They have worked later on, even with Talat Mahmood, Mukesh, Asha, and even Kishore Da. Throughout their career, they trained multiple people. For example, Shankar of Shankar Jaikishan, Lakshmikant of Lakshmikant Pyarelal, Khayyam and Mahendra Kapoor were all proteges of Husnlal Bhagat Ram. They brought in a different flavor into composing music for Hindi movies. And very, very sadly, the partnership broke within hardly just over a decade of coming together, and then they parted ways. This song that you are playing, Ek Dil Ke Tukde Hazar Hue, from a movie called Pyar Ki Jeet, is unique. It has it's a milestone in the career of Rafi Saab. Rafi Saab had actually been around in Hindi film music for 3 to 4 years prior to this, and had sung almost 40 to 45 songs, but was not yet the phenomenon that now we know him to be. This composition in the Raag Tilang was filmed on the lead pair, Suraiya and Rehman. Rehman started off as a very handsome leading male actor. However, most of us of my generation know him as a villain. And this movie song actually became such a big hit that it boosted Rafi Saab's career. So let's listen to this song again, Ek Dil Ke Tukde Hazar Hue.
कोई यहाँ गिरा, कोई वहाँ गिरा, कोई यहाँ गिरा, कोई वहाँ गिरा। जीवन के सफर में हम जिनको समझे थे हमारे साथी हैं। जीवन के सफर में हम जिनको समझे थे हमारे साथी हैं। 2 कदम चले फिर बिछड़ गए, दो कदम चले फिर बिछड़ गए, कोई यहाँ गिरा कोई वहाँ गिरा, कोई यहाँ गिरा कोई वहाँ गिरा। एक दिल के टुकड़े हजार हुए, एक दिल के टुकड़े हजार हुए, कोई यहाँ गिरा कोई वहाँ गिरा, कोई यहाँ गिरा कोई वहाँ गिरा। आशाओं के तिनके चुन चुन कर सपनों का महल बनाया था, आशाओं के तिनके चुन चुन कर सपनों का महल बनाया था। तूफान से तिनके बिखर गए, तूफान से तिनके बिखर गए, कोई यहाँ गिरा कोई वहाँ गिरा, कोई यहाँ गिरा कोई वहाँ गिरा। एक दिल के टुकड़े हजार हुए, एक दिल के टुकड़े हजार हुए, कोई यहाँ गिरा कोई वहाँ गिरा, कोई यहाँ गिरा कोई वहाँ गिरा।
Which is the next song that you'll be talking about, Dr. Chandorkar?
The next song is the first song I would recall when Husnalal Bhagatram's name is mentioned. And it is from year 1949 when Lata Didi had two big musical hits. One was this movie, Badi Behan, where she actually played the role of a junior singing star. The movie had Suraya Rehman again in the lead with Geeta Bali and Pran as the second pair. And the movie had some really great songs. This is a timeless classic and an iconic melody that is remembered even today, 70 odd years after the movie released. It's sung by Lata Didi with Prem Lata as a duet. The song was remade in a Tamil movie called Vazhkai as Enni Enni Paraka Manam, which actually happens to be Vaijayanthimala's debut film. And Vaijayanthimala made a debut as a 13-year-old actress. The same movie was made 4 years later in Sinhala language as Sujata, which was the biggest hit till that time. So let's listen to this song, Chup Chup Khade Ho, Jarur Koi Baat Hai.
चुप चुप खड़े हो जरूर कोई बात है, चुप चुप खड़े हो जरूर कोई बात है, पहली मुलाकात है ये पहली मुलाकात है, पहली मुलाकात है ये पहली मुलाकात है.
What a timeless classic. What's next on your list, Doctor?
The next song is actually from Husnullah Bhagat Ram's debut film as a teen. This was a movie called Chand, made by Prabhat Film Company by D.D. Kashyap. And the song was sung by Manju, who was a singer-actress of the time, also called Manjura. It was their first big hit in their debut film, which was unique. It was filmed on the actress's younger brother, Master Balakram, and introduced a very, very favorite ploy of Husnullah Bhagat Ram of a itinerant singer with a harmonium slung around his neck. Manju actually went on to marry Karan Diwan after acting together the same year in a movie called Ratan, which was Naushad's very big hit, which propelled Naushad to great heights. So this is the song, Do Dilon Ko Ye Duniya Milne Nahi Degi.
What an amazing rendition. What is the next song coming up?
The next song is a song from a movie called Balam, and Suraya took over from Noorjahan after Noorjahan left for Pakistan as a leading singer actress. She is unique. Suraya is unique because she actually got more money than all the actors and actresses who were her contemporaries for a number of years. K.L. Sehgal was very impressed with her talents, and he actually insisted on having her as a heroine with him and sang duets with her. So this movie was made with Suraya, Vasti and Nigar Sultana, who we might remember from Mughal movies later, and was made by Homi Wadia. Lata Mangeshkar actually sang her first duet with Suraya as the junior partner in this movie, O Pardesi Musafir. The song we are going to have is Aise Mein Agar Tum Aa Jaate. Beautiful song.
कहते कुछ हम कहते, कुछ तुम कहते, कुछ हम कहते, हम रोते रोते रुक जाते। कुछ तुम कहते, कुछ हम कहते, कुछ तुम कहते, कुछ हम कहते। जाते खामोश उधर, हम रह जाते खामोश इधर। तुम रह जाते खामोश उधर, हम रह जाते खामोश इधर। आँखों से हम समझा जाते। कहते कुछ हम कहते, कुछ तुम कहते, कुछ हम कहते। ऐसे में अगर तुम आ जाते। कुछ तुम कहते, कुछ हम कहते, कुछ तुम कहते, कुछ हम कहते। शिकवे जब करते, हम चुपके चुपके सुन लेते। तुम सौ शिकवे जब करते, हम चुपके चुपके सुन लेते। ये आंसू सब कुछ कह जाते। कुछ तुम कहते, कुछ हम कहते, कुछ तुम कहते, कुछ हम कहते। ऐसे में अगर तुम आ जाते। कुछ तुम कहते, कुछ हम कहते, कुछ तुम कहते, कुछ हम कहते।
Beautiful. The next song, please.
The next song is by one of my favorite singers of all time. This is from a movie called Adle Jahangir, which means the sense of justice to Jahangir. Pradeep Kumar and Meena Kumari were the lead pair, and both of them look absolutely fabulous in the movie. The movie was G.P. Sippy's debut movie as a director, and the tune is actually based on a waltz made by a Romanian composer, Iosif Ivanovici. It's called The Waves of the Danube. And this tune has been used by Shankar Jaikishan as well, because Shankar, remember, was working with Husnullah Bhagat-Ram. This has two versions in the movie, one by Talat, which we're going to play now, and another by Lata. Both are beautiful. Lata's is a little sadder one. So let's have this song, Hai Meri Zindagi, Tujhe Dhoondu Kahan.
न तो
निशा, ऐ मेरी जिंदगी तुझे ढूंढूं कहाँ। न वो लैला रही न वो मैं मिल रहा, न वो लैला रही न वो मैं मिल रहा, पास मंजिल के आके लुटा कारवां हो लुटा कारवां। ऐ मेरी जिंदगी तुझे ढूंढूं कहाँ, न तो मिल के गए नहीं छोड़ा निशा, ऐ मेरी जिंदगी तुझे ढूंढूं कहाँ। ये सितारे नहीं गम के आंसू हैं ये सितारे नहीं गम के आंसू हैं ये, रो रहा है मेरे हाल पर आसमां, हाल पर आसमां। है मेरी जिंदगी तुझे ढूंढूं कहाँ, न तो मिल के गए नहीं छोड़ा निशा, है मेरी जिंदगी तुझे ढूंढूं कहाँ। तुमसे मिलते ही मस्ती में खोए थे हम, तुमसे मिलते ही मस्ती में खोए थे हम, आँख खोली तो उजला हुआ था जहाँ, अब मैं जाऊँ कहाँ। है मेरी जिंदगी तुझे ढूंढूं कहाँ, न तो मिल के गए नहीं छोड़ा निशा, है मेरी जिंदगी तुझे ढूंढूं कहाँ, तुझे ढूंढूं कहाँ, तुझे ढूंढूं।
Simply beautiful. The next song is going to be?
The next song is a unique song. It's composed in the rag sarang, which is about the right time to sing this rag. It is one of the first and very, very few rare occasions that Kishore Kumar actually sang for his older brother Ashok Kumar to give payback to Ashok Kumar. Ashok Kumar and Nareedin Jayawant were the lead pair for this movie Kafila, and the lyrics are by Brajendra Gaur, whose relation Yogesh is known to all of us for his beautiful lyrics in Anand, Rajnigandha and Choti Si Baat. The song is a wonderful duet between Lata Mangeshkar and Kishore Da. Leheron se pooch lo.
लहरों से पूछ लो, लहरों से पूछ लो, या किनारों से पूछ लो, या किनारों से पूछ लो, फिर भी यकीन हो तो, फिर भी यकीन हो तो, सितारों से पूछ लो, लहरों से पूछ लो, लहरों से पूछ लो।
उल्फत की उमंगों का छोटा सा काफिला, छोटा सा काफिला, धड़कन की राह चल के इस दिल से जा मिला, उस दिल से जा मिला।
फूलों की जवानी के उभारों से पूछ लो, फूलों की जवानी के उभारों से पूछ लो, शर्माए अगर फूल तो शर्माए अगर फूल तो खारों से पूछ लो, लहरों से पूछ लो, लहरों से पूछ लो, या किनारों से पूछ लो, या किनारों से पूछ लो, फिर भी यकीन हो तो,
एक है, अरमान एक है, अजी अरमान एक है।
यूं हम जुदा जुदा है मगर जान एक है, मगर जान एक है।
गुलशन की बहारों से नजारों से पूछ लो, गुलशन की बहारों से नजारों से पूछ लो।
झुकती हुई नजर के, झुकती हुई नजर के इशारों से पूछ लो, लहरों से पूछ लो, लहरों से पूछ लो, या किनारों से पूछ लो, या किनारों से पूछ लो। फिर भी यकीन हो तो, फिर भी यकीन हो तो सितारों से पूछ लो, लहरों से पूछ लो, लहरों से पूछ लो।
Simply marvelous. Which is the next song on your list, Doctor?
The next song is a song which highlights Suroya's vocal qualities. Her voice was specially suited for poignant songs because it had a kashish feature and she was supremely melodious. Many music directors have used a recital prelude before the main melody. Husnulal Bhagat Ram innovated on this and had slow recitals in many of his antaras, which are followed by the main melody as a refrain. This is actually a duet with Rafi Saab and Suraya from a movie called Nach, but you will find Suraya getting the lioness's share. Such was the dominance that time. This is a beautiful song, Seene Mein Aag Bhadakti Hai.
बर्बाद न कर, इश्क हमें बर्बाद न कर, इश्क हमें बर्बाद न कर, इश्क हमें बर्बाद न कर।
जमाना याद न कर, इश्क हमें बर्बाद न कर, इश्क हमें बर्बाद न कर। बेदर्द ज़माना क्या जाने, बेदर्द ज़माने से ऐ दिल उम्मीद न रख, फरियाद न कर। इश्क हमें बर्बाद न कर, इश्क हमें बर्बाद न कर। फरियाद ना कर, इश्क हमें बर्बाद ना कर, इश्क हमें बर्बाद ना कर, इश्क हमें बर्बाद ना कर, इश्क हमें
Suraya was truly a gem of our Hindi film industry. Doctor, which is the next song you will bring on?
The next song is an amazing story because we remember Badi Behan today for the two Lata Mangeshkar songs, Chup Chup Khade Ho and Chale Jana Nahi. Now, at that time when the movie was made, she was actually the junior singer, and her songs were not picturized on the heroine of the movie, which was Suraya. Rather, they were picturized on the actress, the less important role, Geeta Bali. This is a beautiful song composed in Asavari, Chale Jana Nahi. Let's hear this song, please.
And now, Dr. Chandorkar, we are at the tail end of the program with about 4.5 minutes left. So at the end, which is the song that you would like to tell us about?
Before I talk of the last song, first and foremost, I'd like to thank you for choosing Husnalal Bhagat as the theme for today. I would have personally recalled before you asked me maybe 5 or 6 of these songs. But thanks to you, I researched and was introduced to a huge and very rich collection. The last song is from a movie called Sartaj. It's a wonderful duet between Mukesh and Zorabai Ambalewale. Zorabai is, of course, an older era, and she ruled at that time. It was picturized on Motilal and Munawar Sultana. It was an unusual movie for the time because it had 3 different lyricists. The movie is all but forgotten. Majroor's song and other songs from the movie remain fresh. Manwa mein pyar dole, sara sansar dole. Thank you so much for having me, and wish you and your audience a very good day.
Thank you so much, Dr. Saab. It's always a pleasure having you on air, showcasing such wonderful gems, the rarest of the rare from our Hindi films. Here it is at your request.
में प्यार डोले, सारा संसार डोले। मनवा
सारा संसार डोले। दिल का आधार तू है, आ किसके साथ बोले। रहना है बांध तेरे जुल्फे जंजीर तेरी, ओ जुल्फे जंजीर तेरी। नैना है बांध तेरे जुल्फे जंजीर तेरी, ओ जुल्फे जंजीर तेरी। करते ना देखो देखो नन्ही सी जान मेरी, हाय नन्ही सी जान मेरी। करते ना देखो देखो नन्ही सी जान मेरी, हाय नन्ही सी जान मेरी। आंखें ना फेर ले तू, दिल बार बार बोले। आंखें ना फेर ले तू, दिल बार बार बोले। मनवा में प्यार डोले, सारा संसार डोले। जी भर के प्यार चले, फिर क्या हो कौन जाने, हाँ फिर क्या हो कौन जाने। जी भर के प्यार चले, फिर क्या हो कौन जाने, हाँ फिर क्या हो कौन जाने। दिल को समझा दे मेरे, मेरा कहना न माने, हाँ मेरा कहना न माने। दिल को समझा दे मेरे, मेरा कहना न माने, हाँ मेरा कहना न माने। आजा आजा कोई है उल्फत के द्वार खोले। आजा आजा कोई है उल्फत के द्वार खोले। दिल का आधार तू है, आ किसके साथ बोले। मनवा में प्यार डोले, सारा संसार डोले।
You were listening to the program Talk Time, in which we had our guest on air with us over the telephone lines, Dr. Anirudh Chandorkar, an adult interventional cardiologist from Pune, who showcased for us the music of the film music duo composers, directors, Hosnalal Bhagatram. We hope you enjoyed this presentation just as much as we enjoyed bringing it for you. You are tuned to AIR FM Gold on 100.1 megahertz. The time by our studio clock now reads 10 seconds to 12 noon. Please remain tuned in for the 10-minute news bulletins, first in English and then in Hindi.
This is All India Radio. The news read by Valsa Williams.